Dr. Neeti Raizada. I'm Director of Medical Oncology, Hemato-Oncology and Transplant Program at Fortis Cancer Institute located at Bangalore. I want to talk today about sickle cell disease. Now, sickle cell disease is a red blood condition in which there is sickling of the red blood cells. This makes it hard and sticky. And because of the sticky nature, there are multiple episodes of clot. And because it's hard, they tend to break, and therefore the half-life is short, and patients usually present with chronic anemia along with painful crisis and multiple episodes of infection. Sickle cell disease is a genetic condition, and when the genes are acquired from both of the parents, that's when these patients present with multiple episodes of crisis and infection. Interestingly, this can be diagnosed with a very basic blood test and usually diagnosed at birth. Since it's a genetic condition, most of these present very early in childhood, as I said, painful episodes and infection. And our goal is to manage them very early in life. Most of the time they require symptomatic and supportive care, but what definitely treats them is a bone marrow transplant. Bone marrow transplant or stem cell transplant is the only curative option for sickle cell disease. How it is done? Well, a healthy donor who's HLA matched from the recipient, we collect stem cells of this donor and then transfuse these stem cells to the recipient who has sickle cell disease. This generally, in a case of sickle cell disease, may not be a sibling, because most often the sibling may have the same condition as well. And so we focus on MUD transplant, which is matched unrelated donor transplant. Now, why in India and why in Bangalore? Well, Bangalore comes with an entire set of comprehensive center with world-class facility. The professionalism of doctors and nurses is exemplary. The quality and training has been of multiple years with successful results. And yes, Bangalore comes with beautiful weather. COVID-19, well, yes, it has posed challenges to us, and especially challenges to people who have had chronic diseases or an underlying comorbidity. We are working towards it, and we are trying to optimize care even in these difficult times. Thanks so much.